Welcome to your personalized Numotion page. Here you can follow your product and service orders through the process, view your appointments, pay your bills, contact Numotion, and update your profile. After you watch the tutorial, one of the very first things we recommend is filling out My Preferences in your profile in order to get the most up-to-date notifications. But first, let's walk through everything you can do in your My Numotion app. The My Orders section is a great place to keep an eye on orders in progress, whether it's new equipment or service, and it will likely be your go-to spot once you set up your account. Chevrons show the phases each order is in. The chevrons highlighted in orange show you which step of the process your order is in. If you hover your cursor over each chevron, you can get a description of what is happening in that particular phase. Bubbles to the left of the order phases are alerts. If your bubble is bouncing and has a number in it, that means you have a message. These messages are important because they may tell you that we need more information before the next step. They may be messages that keep you informed about correspondence with your clinical team, or they might be tips that help you move your order along to the next phase. When you click on the bouncing bubble, you can clear the notification bubble by hitting the Mark as Read button. Also, when you click on an order or the bubble, you will see an area called Estimated Self-Pay. This is simply an estimate of your order's copay and any additional costs. However, this number may change as your order progresses and changes, which is why it is simply an estimate. Just below My Orders is the My Equipment section. Here you'll see a list of your existing equipment. The equipment may have been purchased from Numotion or serviced by Numotion. If you have equipment that isn't from or serviced by Numotion, it may still appear here if you provided us with that information. Knowing your equipment is important because you might need to provide your equipment description when scheduling appointments or services. For more information or help navigating any orders, please contact our National Customer Care Center at 800-500-9150 or through our live chat located in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. My Appointments is your personal calendar of appointments scheduled through Numotion. You'll often see service or equipment delivery appointments. Your appointments are highlighted on the calendar, and they're also listed in the section below. Note that appointments scheduled via your therapist or clinic will not appear in My Appointments. The My Requests section allows you to make requests for service and equipment. Simply fill out a little information in the pop-up box that appears when you click on these boxes. Once you make a request, it will be listed above the request buttons. You can easily contact us by chatting live with an agent using My Chat. Just click on the Chat with Us button in the bottom right corner. If an agent is unavailable, it will say Agent Offline. In that situation, you can reach us by sending a message using the Contact Us button in the My Request area. Or you can always call us at 1-800-500-9150. My Account lists your current invoices due. When you are ready to pay, hit Pay Now, and you will be directed to a secure page where you can make a payment. My Numotion team lists the Numotion specialists who care for you and your equipment. And My Clinical team are the therapists and doctors we have listed for you in our system. Manage your profile by clicking on your name. On the My Information page, you can update all your basic information. However, if you change information above the orange line, we'll need to do verification first. Once the information is approved, we will update your profile. Under My Preferences, you're able to choose how you'd like to get message updates and notifications on your orders or services. You can also choose to get news and events updates on this page. My Insurance lists your insurance provider and allows you to securely upload an image of your insurance card. It's important to securely upload your card because it helps us process orders and schedule appointments more efficiently. To securely upload your insurance card, take a picture or scan your insurance card to your computer desktop. From there, Securely upload the file by clicking on the Upload Files button, or drag the file from your desktop to the Or Drop Files section of this page. My Diagnosis lists the diagnosis we have on file. And finally, in My Contacts, you can fill out any information that applies to you. For more information or help navigating any orders, please contact our National Customer Care Center at 800-500-9150 or through our live chat located in the lower right-hand corner of your screen.